Welcome back to BEEiLab. In our previous video, we explored the arithmetic and comparison operators. In this video, we will dive into the assignment operator, membership operator, and identity operator. So let's get started. The assignment operators are the silent heroes behind variable assignments and updates. Let's break down each one with practical examples. Starting with simple assignments. Here, we initialize the a variable with 10 and the b variable with 20. In this assigning process, we used equal sign. Moving on to the add and assign operator. This operator is used to add the right side operand with the left side operand and then assign the result to the left operand. In the following code, this operator adds the value of b to a and updates the a variable accordingly. Similarly, the subtract and assign is used to subtract the right operand from the left operand and then assign the result to the left operand. For instance, this operator subtracts the value of b from a and updates a. In addition to these assignment operators, we have other assignment operators that act similarly to the mentioned operators. The table below shows the list of all assignment operators. As you can see in the table, these operators perform a mathematical operation and then update the variable with the new value. For instance, the multiply and assign operator multiplies the right operand with the left operand and then assigns it to the left operand. Now, let's dive into membership operators, the detectives that determine if a value is part of the sequence or not. These operators bring a level of sophistication to our code, allowing us to investigate the presence or absence of a variable in a sequence. Let's start with the in operator. Here, a is assigned the value 1, and b is a sequence of 1, 2, 3, 6, 5. We use the in operator to check if a is in b. This operation evaluates to true if it finds the value of a in the specified sequence b and false otherwise. Now, let's explore the not in operator. We use the not in operator to check if a is not in b. This operation evaluates to true if it does not find the value of a in the specified sequence b and false otherwise. Now, we have a challenge for you. Your challenge is to check if x is in y or not. Pause the video here, attempt the challenge, and share your solution in the comments below. Now, let's unravel the world of identity operators, which determine if two objects are the same. Let's start with the is operator. Here, x and y variables are assigned the same value 1. We use the is operator to check if x is the same object as y. This operation evaluates to true if x and y reference the exact same object in memory. Now, let's explore the is not operator. We use the is not operator to check if x is not the same object as y. This operation evaluates to true if x and y reference different objects in memory. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Python operators. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. For code examples, check out our GitHub page. Remember, stay curious and we'll see you in the next video.